Pressing a transfer without a professional heat press isn't always flawless. However, there are 5 DIY methods you can experiment with at home.
Direct-to-film transfers typically require higher heat and pressure for a successful transfer. A hair straightener with adjustable heat settings may work for a smaller design. Some crafters already have a mini press, such as a Cricut at home. Press your Cricut firmly in small areas, moving slowly for the required time for each pass. Set your iron to the highest heat setting and completely turn off the steam. Place a piece of parchment paper over the design and apply heat as evenly as possible. If heat isn't evenly applied, some areas may not transfer. And this seems to be the case here. Maybe you'll have better luck. Some people have had success using a flat electric griddle. With only a panini maker at home, I gave it a shot. But due to its ridges, as you can see, the transfer wasn't also successful. A griddle could work better though. You'll need a heavy heat-safe object like a cast iron skillet to provide ample pressure. You could also try heavy ceramic tiles. As a general guideline, start with 10 to 20 seconds to be careful not to scorch the transfer or the shirt. I only tried one press at 20 seconds. It wasn't a success. You could try longer with your own experiments.
Remember that with these DIY methods, achieving consistent and even heat and pressure can be a challenge. For high-quality, long-lasting transfers, a professional heat press remains the optimal option. And when you're ready to press like a pro, DTF Superstore has your solution.